Hi guys, this is the Japanese brand, a gas stove. Its name is Paloma, and this is fully automatic stove. It has certain sensors that sense overheating or any other fault if occur. Okay, let's overview it. This knob is for grilling. You can see here you can grill fishes in it. This is the grill area, and this knob is for that burner, while this knob is for that burner, and it is operated by 1.5 volt D type batteries. You can insert two batteries in it, and the mechanism will be like this. This is indicator, and this will indicate you that in the time when overheating or any other fault occur. Okay, let's check one by one. First we will check the grilling section. Just push it and turn anti-clockwise. See a very good bluish flame. Okay, turn it off and then turn this on. Very high quality flame. Okay, turn it off and check this. Very good pressure. See. Okay, now we will check its sensor whether it's working or not. So we will put empty pot on it, and then we will overheat it so that it's automatically turn off or not. So let's start. Increase the flame and check. It will beep when it's feel that it's overheating. See, it has indicate you by beeps, and it has decreased the flame. After some time, after too much overheating, this stove will turn off. See, this is safety indicator. This will save your meal, your fishes in this area, and protect your meal from burning. Okay, see that the pot is overheated and it has turned the stove off. It will finish after it cool down, and then you can restart it. See that the burner is still on but no flame there. Okay, let's turn it off. This stove will work because it's not overheated. See, and this will work, but it will turn off after some time. See, okay, the pot is cooled down. It will again decrease the flame after it's sensing overheat. See, exactly what I talk about it. And now it will turn off after few seconds. That's good. So a very best brand, you can trust on it. Hope you have enjoyed the video. So thank you, and subscribe my channel. That's it.